Hello, little yogis. Today we're going to move and breathe with our friend Stitch. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, hello, here comes Stitch today, with his big round ears, breathing soft and slow. Let's lift our arms up to the sky, just like Stitch. Take a breath and sigh. Stitch, Stitch, move along with me, breathing deep. Count to 3, Stitch, dance with me today. Standing tall in our special way. Hanging right, relay one. Let's breathe like Stitch. In through the nose, hold it, and out through the mouth. One more time. In and out. Feel calm, feel light, all around. Roll your shoulders like a little rocket ship. Reach up high, give your arms a stretch and dip. Stitch loves hugs, so let's do 1, 2. Wrap your arms and say hello to you. Stitch, Stitch, move along with me, breathing deep. Count to 3, Stitch, dance with me today. Standing tall in our special way. Freeze-scan section. Stitch says move, wiggle, dance, sway. Stitch says freeze, hold still. Stitch says move, reach and sway. Stitch says freeze, quiet breath, quiet breath. Stitch, Stitch, move along with me, breathing deep. Count to 3, Stitch, dance with me today. Standing tall in our special way. Breathing vape number 2. Let's breathe like Stitch, nice and slow. In and out, feel the calm flow. Shoulders soft, arms resting down. Quiet now, no need for sound. Thank you, Stitch, for this calm time. Let's rest now, nice and quiet. Bye for now, our little blue friend. We'll come play again, my friend. Close your wind and breathe out. Stitch is resting. Quiet now. Feel your body soft and still. Peaceful moment, calm and chill. Stitch, Stitch, move along with me, breathing deep. Count to 3, Stitch, dance with me today. Standing tall in our special way. And chill. Great job, little yogis! You moved, you breathed, and you found your calm, just like Stitch. See you next time.